step into the world of groundbreaking technology. Join us as we explore the most powerful machinery that's shaping the future, where advanced design meets unmatched performance. Get ready to experience this exciting journey firsthand. The size of this tree is truly awe-inspiring. As the logger approaches the massive trunk, safety becomes his top priority. With careful precision and caution, he tackles the challenge, showcasing both the strength needed and the crucial role of safety in forestry. Let's witness the A-Split Force 1320 in action. With a powerful 26.5-ton splitting force and fast 3.75-second cycle time, this machine effortlessly processes large volumes of wood, ensuring efficiency and reliability for heavy-duty wood splitting tasks.
And I'd call that bag full.
With its 30-ton cutting force, the Woodcracker W1000 makes difficult wood splitting operations easier. It can handle logs up to 1 meter in diameter and produces up to 10 cubic meters per hour. It is also long-lasting and easy to use. Have you seen the HWP1 140B firewood processor from Halverson? With its robust hydraulics, it effortlessly processes logs up to 16 inches in diameter, making wood cutting faster and more efficient, so you can spend more time enjoying the fire. A gardener cleverly uses a tractor's power to remove a stubborn stump, combining raw strength and human ingenuity to turn a challenging task into an efficient, impressive display of mechanical gardening. What a sight to behold! The Serra Me 110 band sawmill processes logs up to 52.3 inches in diameter and 32 feet long. With a 225 horsepower motor, it achieves a production rate of 14,000 board feet per 8-hour shift, offering high efficiency for sawmill operations. The Vermeer SC1052 is the ideal stump cutter if you want to make your work easy. Your production will increase as it effectively processes stumps up to 24 inches in diameter, thanks to its cutting system's innovation and strong 115 horsepower engine. Don't underestimate the potential of old equipment. The Lane at 100 sawmill, once considered junk, was revived through skill and effort, showing that even outdated machines can be transformed into valuable tools with some creativity and work. Processing firewood is revolutionized by the Spalfix K500 Posh, which can easily handle logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter. It processes up to 10 cubic meters of firewood per hour, which is an amazing accomplishment of Posh engineering. The Easton-made 48C splitter tackles logs up to 24 inches in diameter with ease, processing up to 6 cords of firewood per hour. Its powerful blade makes quick work of tough timber, providing a fast and efficient solution for firewood production. This specialized grapple attachment on the excavator maximizes gripping force, allowing the operator to extract tough root systems with minimal soil disturbance. This precision reduces environmental impact and enhances efficiency, enabling the machine to handle up to 23 stumps per hour. The Woodpecker RP300 chipper processes branches up to 220 millimeters in diameter with a 3-meter conveyor and hydraulic feed. Priced between $1,800 and $112,000. It's a reliable option for large projects, featuring a protection switch. With a camera system that removes blind spots and a 15-degree tilt for stability, the Ricoh AT75 is revolutionary. With its strong 75-foot cutting range and remarkable safety measures, this machine is built to take over the job site as effectively as possible. The best sewing machine is the Dualua WD200. It is incredibly efficient and precise, processing 1,200 board feet per hour and cutting logs up to 24 inches in diameter, suitable for productive work. This versatile excavator combines 3 machines in one. It excavates, yards logs up to 40 feet, and features a winch for handling up to 10 tons of wood, making it ideal for demanding forestry tasks. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video!
Thank you.